Hello friends. In this video we will continue to learn Python. It will be something like practice lesson because today we will install Python 3.8 into our PC, and also we will write our first function, print statement, and also we will try to multiple its statement. So let's go. You can say, yeah, what is better, Python offline compiler or Python online compiler? We will also check it in this video. So let's start. Where we can't download Python, we can download it from our Python official site. You can type something like that, python.org, and we go here. You can press onto button downloads and press on Python 3. Press download Python 3.11.1, but you may note that Python is higher than Python 3.9, cannot be used or on Windows 7 or earlier. So you can note the OC you are looking for. Python also can be used on many operating systems. So if you want to use Python from Mac OS or Linux system, you may go into this link, but now we try to download it. So you can just press on it button, but I have already downloaded it. How we can check if it download? We can simply go into our Windows CMD panel and type here something like that, something like only Python, and you can see that Windows see our Python version is Python 3.8.10. It was posted on May 3, 2021. So you can also have official documentation, official roadmap about Python. It's very helpful material which you can. So let's type simply help, and we can welcome to Python 3.8's help utility. It's interesting, but we can only copy link from it and paste here. So we can see that the Python tutorial, we can also choose different version, 2.7 for example, but we use our version. We can see that here is invoking the parameter, list, strings, and even lists. But now not about that. Now let's try us to complete our first application in online compiler. Yes, in online compiler. I think it's faster, and it's no need to install on your PC. How you can find online compiler? You can simply go on, you can simply write something like that. Python's on online compilers, and go into first site. You can also programmers. You can also go into REPL it. It's also a good site, which I will pin in description. So we can hear that print statement. What is print statement? Print statement, print function is function that allows us to appear something in our command panel. So let's delete all of this. Here it's comment. Uh, it it's not code. Compiler just ignore it. You can run it, and we can see that there's nothing, and we can also multiple it. Let's try. Run, and there is nothing because it's comment and compiler ignored it. Let's write our first function, our first text in command line. So let's type hello world here. Yes, and let's click on run button. You can see that it typed hello world. Also we can print something more to hello world, or we can also print something like that. We can multiple it by 2 by adding star pointer, like just here. So click run. Oops, it must be here. Yes, so run, and we can see that the compiler printed hello world without any spaces. We can simply add one space here, and yes, it added one more space. And also we can make something like that, \n to print it in the others lines. Yes, and we can also print it in make it simply. So yeah, something like that. So I think that it's all for today. Thank you for watching my Python tutorial lessons, and see you in the next video when we will create our first variable, and see you there.